Hello friends, I am Gajanan Namdev Savli. Today's our discussion topic is deadlock and producer and consumer problem in Java. In today's video session, we can discuss about the what is deadlock, how to check and detect the deadlock in Java, and how to avoid the deadlock in Java and its disadvantages. Let's see what is deadlock in Java. Deadlock in Java is the part of multi-threading. Deadlock can be occurs in a situation where the one thread can be waiting the lock of object that can be acquired by the another thread, and second threads also waiting the lock of object by that can be acquired by first thread. That means these two threads are waiting for each other for release the lock. Let's see when this situation occurred when the two or more threads are required the locking system. It can the deadlock situation can be occur in when we can use the synchronization keywords in Java. The disadvantages of deadlock in Java can be first one is it is to hardest to debugging and testing in Java. It can be overload the switching of control, and it is also increase the potential of the uh, code in Java, and it is also increase the difficulty of program in Java. Let's see how to detect the deadlock in Java. Deadlock can be detected by using the three methods. First one is we can be firstly look and understand the code of code understand the code where is synchronization method is used. When synchronized method is used, there is more possibility to create the deadlock situation. Second one, we can be also see the see the also use the IO portal. IO portal is allows to dump and debugging the coding files in Java. Third one is also use the JConsole and Visual JVM in Java for detect the deadlock in Java. Let's see how to avoid the deadlock in Java. Deadlock can be avoided by using the various method. First one is avoid the nested method in Java. Nested method means we can be avoid the giving the lock of multi threads. There is when we can give the lock of multi threads, there is better chance to create the deadlock. Second is avoid the unwanted locking, and unwanted locking means we cannot be give the threads to there is no importance of lock. We can give the only importance threads to locking system. Third is using join method. Means we can use the join method replace the synchronization method. There is no chance to create a deadlock in Java. Let's see example of the deadlock in Java. Example real life example is like traffic. Traffic means there is one way road, and there is uh, another example is when two friends are calling to each other at a time. There is create the situation of deadlock. Let's see what is the multi-thread intercommunication in Java. There is it is operation in which inter-thread can be communicate with each other and can handle the situation where one thread can be stop the running, and it's allowed to the another thread running in a critical situation. let's see example of producer and consumer in Java. There is we can use the there can we can consider that there is shop and there is available the some quantity of pens, and consumer also buy the pens and producer also supply the pens. When the consumer buys a pen and pen gets lower quantity, then we can call the producer thread, and when the quantity is above the maximum level, we can be called the consumer threads. So it is all about the deadlock and consumer producer problem in Java. Thank you.